When there are no vegetables at home, the humble aloo comes to the rescue. For the Raseela Aloo recipe, we need bhuna masala for gravy dishes, potatoes, oil, red chili powder, water, turmeric powder, some asafoetida or hing, cumin seeds, and lastly, coriander for garnishing. I'm going to start by coarsely mashing the potatoes. I've boiled and peeled these potatoes. It gives some texture to the dish and also helps the potatoes absorb the flavor of the masalas better. The potatoes are done. I'm now going to start on the masalas. I'm going to begin by adding some oil into the pan. The oil is hot. I'm now going to add the cumin seeds. I don't want these to splutter too much, so I'm going to quickly add in my Maggi Bhuna Masala. The Maggi Bhuna Masala for gravy dishes is a ready mix of onions, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, cooked in refined oil and contains no added preservatives. It helps to shorten and speed up the cooking process. Now it's time for the powder masalas. Some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, and a pinch of asafoetida. Stir about quickly and add some water. You don't have to add too much water because we want the gravy to be slightly thick. I'm going to bring this to a boil before I add in the potatoes. The gravy has come to a boil. Now to add the potatoes. Now all you have to do is allow this to simmer till the dish gets a nice thick consistency. This is ready. All I need to do now is garnish it. That looks tempting enough to eat right away, but I'm going to first garnish it with some coriander leaves. I have to confess, Raseela Aloo is a great weakness of mine. With puri or some rice, it makes a complete meal. But I'm not going to wait that long. I'm going to dig in right now.